So in this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how to buy or invest in the Nigeria stocks market. So how you can buy some shares. So once your account is funded, the next thing to do is to go to the portfolio part. You're going to see NG stocks. So we click on NG stocks, and then this is going to display different companies that are listed on the platform. So you're going to pick one of them and try to buy some shares from that particular company. So let's pick Heiko Insurance, and you can look at their liquidity 5/5, which means it's very good. So you can do your other analysis, but that's not the purpose of this video. You can read about the company and fundamentals surrounding them. So let's click on buy. So to buy, you have two options. The first one is an instant order to buy at the current market price. So buy now, that allows you to be able to buy the shares at whatever price is prevailing in the market at that point in time, while the limit order allows you to set a particular price you want to buy those shares at a later date and time. So for example, let's say the value of the share now right now is 8 naira. It is 8 naira per share, and you want to only buy when it is at 5 naira per share, and you don't want to be monitoring price movements all the time. So you can set a limit order for that particular price. All right. So if you click on it, you're going to see it's asking you enter price per share. This is going to now give you the opportunity to set a specific price that you want the market to activate. So let's say I want to only buy if price is at 4 naira. So I can set 4 naira, which means once the value per share or price per share gets to 4 naira, then it's going to activate. If you click on proceed, you now need to fill in the number of shares you want to get. So let's say you want to get 50 shares of this particular at that particular price, and then you've been given an estimated amount, which is 200 naira. So then you proceed. So let's look at the instant order buy now. So this one, you need to mention directly the number of shares you want to buy at the current market price, unlike the previous one where you set the price yourself that you want to buy. So this one is going to be at the current market price. So the next thing will be for you to state the number of shares that you want to buy from this particular Heiko stocks, the number of shares you intend to buy. Let's say you want to buy 50 or 500. You're going to see the amount, which is 2,035 naira. So it means the total value of 500 shares that you're trying to buy at the current price of 4 naira 0.7 kobo is 2,035. Then you proceed to review the order and then you buy. Though there's a caveat, it's saying the execution price might be slightly different from the quoted price. While you click on buy and the network is trying to pick your order, there might be a slight change. So, and most times it's going to be at that, at that same price that you intend to buy. So that is how you can buy using the instant buy now option or the limit order. So make sure you have more than a minimum of 5,000 naira in your account to participate in the trading. So if you have questions, reach out to our customer care representatives and they are going to walk you through the process.